welcome back to my channel. It's Shania, aka Goldenchildchi. If you didn't already know that, then that probably means you're not subscribed. So what are you doing? Like, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if it's helpful. Drop a comment if you want to chit chat, you have any questions, comments, concerns. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So as you guys can see, I have on the same shirt that I had on the other video because I am bulk uploading, and that is how I plan on staying consistent. So either y'all deal with this white shirt or y'all just won't get no videos. So just kidding, but I just find it to be really helpful to do that. And I'm finding that when I like go to switch my shirt, my hair gets messed up and it's already like on its last leg. So I'm like, let me pump out this last video for you guys and then I'll just like figure it out later. So let's get into this. So this video will be on 5 black owned deep conditioners that you should own. Like, if you don't have it, please go and get it. Like, if you're ready, go and get it. Did that make sense? I don't know. But yeah, so let's get into this video. I just wanted to show you guys these products. Some of them I've already had. One of them is new, but I pretty much always use black owned products, but I'm just putting you guys on because I know that sometimes it's a little hard to decipher. Like, brands get sold, companies look like they're black owned when they're really not, but these conditioners are black. So let's get into that. First, I'm starting with the Miche Beauty Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner, which I actually like a lot because a little goes a long way and it has really great slip. And are y'all ready for this? The first ingredient is aloe vera juice. Like, this is my conditioner. Like, if there is a conditioner that's for me, that's probably the one, because as you guys know, I love aloe. So I'll link my other aloe related videos up here so you guys can see it and y'all can really get into my aloe addiction and maybe it'll become yours. So just to let you guys know, this says it's an intense, super moisturizing deep conditioner for all hair types. So it's not only for type 4 hair, which I have, it's for all hair types. So it's for dry, damaged, and color treated hair as well. And it says that it makes hair more manageable, softer, and healthier, which enables hair to retain length and grow. So I can attest to that. This makes my hair feel amazing. After I wash it out, it still feels super moisturized, and I would 100% recommend it. So just as far as instructions, it says that you should apply this after shampooing, obviously, and then work from roots to ends. So whenever you're using deep conditioner, you want to put a generous amount. So just a disclaimer, don't be deep conditioning with a quarter size amount. You're probably going to use like 1/4 of this jar because I think it has like, I want to say, sorry guys, the fireworks, they just don't stop. So I think this has like 4 or 5 uses in here, maybe even 6 depending on how my hair feels that day. So it's a pretty good product. And this has 2 uses also, so you can use it as an intense deep conditioner where you just put a plastic cap over your head and then sit under a hooded dryer for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it out. And you can also put a plastic cap over your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse it out. So heat just speeds up the deep conditioning process. I've learned that just from deep conditioning my own hair. So what I normally do is I put on a shower cap and then I put my towel over my head. I want to invest in a heat, like a thermal, I think it's called like a thermal heat cap or something like that. You don't need to plug it in, but it's just like a cap that you can put on. Next we have the Mielle Organics Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner. This is for both protein and moisture. So I really like this product a lot. And what I like most about it is that it does both. So it's for protein and moisture. So typically my hair feels like it needs both. I'll mix 2 conditioners and I'll put it in my hair. So I'll do a protein and a moisturizing, or I'll do a protein and then I'll do a moisturizing afterwards. So this has like a good combination of both. I don't use this when my hair is super thirsty. I only use it when my hair feels like normal. I feel like it could use some protein, but for the most part I feel like my hair just always needs moisture when I'm not doing a protein deep conditioner. So that is when I use it. Just as far as instructions, it also has 2 uses similar to the Miche Beauty. It says to apply to damp hair and cover with plastic cap for 15 minutes. And then for an intense treatment, it says sit under dryer for 30 minutes with the deep conditioner in your hair. So it's kind of the opposite of the Miche Beauty, but you get the point, deep conditioner. So the next one I have on the list is one of my new faves, which I recently discovered and I'm happy I did. This is the Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner, and this has aloe vera juice as the first ingredient. So far these 2 both have aloe vera juice as the first ingredient. Sorry guys for the fireworks, we have a show every week, But yeah, all right, they're just doing a lot right now, and I just, all right. Okay, intermission. Okay, so honey and sage deep conditioner, and this says to use, so apply to wet hair. This actually tells you to part in 2 to 4 sections, which is cute because that's what I do anyway. So I'm happy to see them giving that direction for people who may not necessarily know. So it's like a little instruction manual back here. It says to finger comb to remove tangles, which I also like. Finger combing is key. And then apply product to hair, focusing on ends. So it says to massage evenly on hair from root to tip, and then you want to cover with a plastic cap and let the product sit for 30 minutes without heat. With heat, you want to sit under a steamer for 20 minutes or a hooded dryer. So another mask that has like 2 uses. You pick your poison and you just take it from there. So next I have the Honey Miracle mask from Tegan. Thank God it's natural. So if you guys didn't see my Tegan wash day video, I'll link it above and you guys can check that out. I use a full line of Tegan products, and that's like my black owned wash day, so check that out. So this has raw honey in it, and it also has aloe leaf juice. So yeah, like I think me and aloe, we have something. So yeah, so this also has 2 uses, and you can either leave it on your hair for 10 to 15 minutes with the hooded dryer or plastic cap, or you can leave it on for 35 minutes to an hour without heat. So these deep conditioners, they have like flavors. You can do either one or the other, or you can do both. So I really like this a lot. It has incredible slip. Incredible slip. Incredible slip. Like, I'm about to put myself on a broken record. This is probably the conditioner with the most slip that I have ever used before in my life. So I really like that about it. I feel like depending on how my hair feels is how much I have to use. So this is a 12-ounce container, which is the largest of all the deep conditioners that I've went through so far. So I would definitely say that you do get your bang for your buck, and this retails at $15. So I do like this a lot. If you need slip, go and pick this up. So last I have the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask, Cocoa and Mango Butter. So I have never used this before. This is from Camille Rose. I am excited to try it just because I've heard so many great things about her products. It is only 8 ounces, which is a kind of a concern of mine, but I have used the Curl Aid Moisture Butter, and a little went a long way. So I'm thinking that might be a trend with her products overall. You only need a little bit. And guess what it has in it? It has aloe leaf juice. So I'm excited about that. And as far as instructions, it says to leave on for 10 minutes while detangling with a wide tooth comb, and then for extra conditioning it says put a plastic cap and apply heat for a minimum of 20 minutes. So same thing, you can either use it one of the 2 ways depending on what you feel like doing that day, depending on how much time you have. So those are my 5 black owned deep conditioners that you probably should have in your stash. So I'll be doing a review soon on the Camille Rose deep conditioner, but as far as the rest, feel free to go and pick them up. I'll link them down below, so no hesitation. They are worth your money, and they're all under $15. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, opinions, if you've used any of these products before. Maybe you hate them. So let me know what you guys are thinking. Give this video a big thumbs up if it was helpful, and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button on your way out. We are almost at 1,000, and if you didn't know, now you know. I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. I will be doing a pretty good giveaway, so make sure that you have on your post notifications so that you're notified whenever that comes about. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.